So this is the before. Like, this joint is a mess.
Yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.
Okay, so we're about to clean out the closet. I hope this looks good. So immediately, I'm about to take the stuff from out of the top of the thing. I don't know if I'm gonna move my skateboard. I probably should move it, but I kind of don't want to. I need to ride it because I don't use it at all. Here's my graduation cap. Oh, in memory of those who chose the seat. I have no idea what to do with this. I'm literally never gonna wear it again. I think I'm gonna put it in my mom's closet. Oh, these are my pants. Look at these big behind pants I got, bro. They make noise when I walk. I don't want these. I'm donating these back. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use the hangers, honestly, because they're here. I might as well use them, right? I had to put this big crate thing that I don't use and then the suitcase, and I set y'all right here so y'all can piece it up because I broke the tripod. Oops, my bad. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing in here. Basically, I'm gonna put all of these coats, I'm gonna put them all to one side and then have my stuff hanging over here. Literally, look at all these hangers though. Like, I could have been used this space. Have it. Do I want to keep this? No, I really like this jacket. I'm not gonna throw it away. I'm not about to wear this in the summertime. Like, I know I wear big stuff during summertime, but I don't think I'm gonna wear this. Oh, I can put it in my mom's closet. I'm gonna do that. That pile is a whole problem we're gonna deal with later after we get done with this one. And I can buy even more hangers to put up here, which I'm gonna do. I want to get pretty hangers because these are ugly as heck. Like, those aren't pretty. I could get gold ones and it'd be cute, but we kind of need to deal with that. I should probably deal with that. Also, look at this Walking Dead poster that we have. I want to put it up on the wall, but she was like, no, put my stuff back. And I'm like, why? Because it would be cute. It's just trash. Oh, this is the gift box from my friend. Let me not put my address on here. This is a gift box from my friend Jose. He sent me a while ago. Let's read first. It was so cute. Bruh, he got me candy and I like never ate it. Literally Pokemon cards are in here, which is so cute. And then we got these matching little things. Wait till I get a car and I have keys to put on a keychain. Also, y'all, don't mind my nails, please. I know they look a hot mess. I don't even want to. I feel like I should explain why my nails look like that. I'm not crazy or anything, but they would not soak off and I had to go somewhere important and I didn't want my nails to be noticeable because they looked weird. So I had to cut them down. And now they look even weirder. So yeah, that didn't work. We have these now. And I'm gonna get them taken off either tomorrow or the day after. I don't know. I'm not going anywhere important, so nope, no we're not. No, we're not. Basically what I was trying to say is I think I want to take this from out of here and I want to put this up on the wall. But I don't think my mom's gonna let me because we have nothing to put that on. And she's trying to move soon, so I don't know if she wants to do that. This is a school shirt that I'm never wearing again. So I think I'm just gonna like throw it away. Here's a pair of shorts. Swimsuit, very important for summertime. Here, because it is very important. Here's the dirty clothes basket that I'm gonna put over here. Is this clean? I can't tell if any of this stuff is clean, bro. This is dirty. So I'm putting my t-shirts up here. Okay. I think I'm gonna put my hoodies on hangers. I'm not sure if I want it on hangers or if I want to this. So, but I kind of want to change my style like all the way. Behind joggers on hangers so I can get to them easier. They're these really big gray sweatpants that I wear. They're so cute. I'm gonna put it back here. I need to get more of these hangers with the little clips on them for my shorts because I want to start a whole collection of shorts this summer. It's just a matter of actually buying them. Oh, see here? More jeans. And guess what? No more clippy thing hangers to put them on. I am not wearing these pants during the summer. One, they're too hot. Two, I don't like the style anymore, so bye-bye. On here, these are my senior sweatpants. Here, over here with the sweatpants. Look at my Get Out shirt. I love this. I wear this whenever I go over to white people's houses, just so they know. Look, this is my SpongeBob shirt. I got it from Forever 21, I think. No, not Forever 21. H&M. I got it from H&M. And it was like $20. I'll probably go back and see if they still have those shirts on sale. So I have this cute little black shirt. I don't necessarily like the way it fits on me. Honestly, I don't. What is this? Oh, this is the thing for my guitar. I should probably put my guitar in it. Look at this cute little hat this boy made me at school. My camera is about to die, which is horrible timing, but I'm gonna update you guys tomorrow on where I am with the closet. I might just stop and finish it tomorrow. So yeah. What's up, y'all? It's the next day. So I went to the store and I bought new clothes, so I'm going to show y'all what I got. I got this cute little biker shorts. They're black. I got this from Charlotte Russe. I also got the same biker shorts in gray. These were both $3 each, which is such a good deal. Then I also, from the same place, I got this cute brown halter top. Is that what it's called? I don't think it's halter. So this video has turned into me trying on clothes that I forgot I had. Kind of like this cashmere sweater vest. I'm not sure how I'm feeling about this. It does not go with my shoulders. This is being given away. This is the giveaway pile. I've been made this, but I'm adding some stuff to it. There's a bra on the floor. We're spending the weekend at my grandma's house and we leave tomorrow, so I kind of need to finish this tonight. I'm just gonna put it in the very back of my prom dress of the closet. Either bare shirt, a broken hanger. Bye. I'm putting trash and stuff just in this little box, and then this is the Dirty Goes plastic that I have to take to wash, which I might take you guys with me to wash that tomorrow. I don't know. Oh wow, this is my old work hat. Should I keep it or should I give it away? I'm giving it away. That was a dark time. I want to make a Judy Moody not bummer summer list. I'm thinking about it, but I don't have friends, so like I have friends, but like I don't know, like I don't think they would want to do that. I'm gonna ask. We're gonna see. I'll update y'all on that. I'm gonna finish the closet and then I'll either check in later when I'm still cleaning out or when I'm washing the clothes tomorrow. So update, I'm cleaning the bathroom right now. I am gonna spray stuff down and just wipe everything down and throw a lot of stuff away because just why? Why? I don't know if y'all can tell, I never clean restrooms. I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh, you guys know how I was telling you about my clothes and how I was gonna take them to wash tomorrow? My mom just took them, so yeah, they'll be ready tomorrow. I'm gonna update you on the closet too. The closet, I kind of broke it in the process of cleaning. All I gotta do is push this back down and it'll go, but I actually kind of like it like that. So this is all of my clothes right now. We have my bras, swimsuits. I ordered more yesterday, so some are gonna come that I'm gonna put up here. We have shorts, 2 pairs of pants, another pair of shorts, shirts, long jacket stuff, my joggers, and then the family jackets that were already there that I moved. I like that I can make a clear cut between the seasons or make it full if I want it to look kind of, you know, fuller. Has to sweep down here. So this is just random stuff that was in there that I'm just gonna sweep up and throw away. Those are all of my books that I have that I'm not reading right now. I'll read them eventually. I have the rest of my life. But yeah, all I have to do now is sweep that out and everything should be set. Also, for up here, I kind of just like left that stuff back there. There's no point in moving it because who does it have to be pretty for, you know? But yeah, we're gonna go back to the thing now. What is it? We're gonna go back to the bathroom now. Ugh, I have to tackle this toilet. There has got to be a different way to do this. Let me spray it one more time just in case. Now I'm gonna take the wipes that I bought earlier and go over one more time in this bathroom. Just because this is bleach free and this is bleach and I don't like bleach like that. Just to get any leftover residue, you know? I'm gonna sweep a little because there's like stuff over there by the trash can. Look at me! Okay, with the setup. There's a little hanging thing right there. And the only reason I didn't put the Walking Dead sign up is because we didn't have a hangy thing. So what if I just, you know, she's gonna be so angry when if she sees this. Okay, I got the poster. It has like two things like this, but nothing in the middle. So it's just gonna look weird if I hang it up here. Also, why would you want to like take a shit over that? Yeah, that was a bad idea. Okay, so I'm gonna clear stuff up here. I think I just need to move most of it, honestly. We're gonna take these pictures down. I keep switching up. There goes all of my inspiration. Yeah, all the stuff that I'm not using right now while we're cleaning is gonna go on my mama's bed, like the other stuff. I found a sock or 2 socks and $1. So it's just a bunch of head stuff that I used when I had hair, honestly. So that's where the sink is like actually chipped. Like I can't wipe that away, so yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I am so tired now, so I'm about to eat and then rest. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.